Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve the sums related with the area of parallelogram and triangle. The first example today is prove that the median divides the triangle into two equal parts. Triangle ABC, AD is the median. We have to prove that area of triangle, the first is given triangle ABC and AD is a median. Median divides the triangle into the median divides the base into two equal parts. We have to prove that area of triangle ABD is equal to area of triangle ACD. Construction: draw AM perpendicular on BC. Proof: area of triangle ABD is equal to half into BD into AM. This is number one. Area of triangle ADC is half into DC into AM. As triangle ADC is obtuse angle triangle, so the perpendicular is outside the triangle. As we know that BD is equal to DC. This is number 3. So these two are common. This is equal. Therefore, area of triangle ABD is equal to area of triangle ADC. Second example. Second example is, in a given figure, ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral. BE is parallel to AC. There is a line AC. BE is parallel to AC, and this is extended meet at A. Show that to prove area of triangle ADE is equal to area of quadrilateral ABCD. This line is parallel to this. Proof: AC is parallel to BE. Therefore, area of triangle ACB is equal to area of triangle ACE. Triangles on same base and between same parallel lines. Adding area ADC both sides. So area of triangle ACB plus area of ADC is equal to area of triangle ACE plus area of ADC. ACB, when we add in this it becomes quadrilateral. ABCD is equal to area of, and we add in this, so it becomes, in this we add, it becomes triangle ADE. Hence, now based upon these two sums, we will solve now the few sums of exercise 9.3. The first sum is, in a given figure, E is any point on AD, triangle ABC, AD is the median, and E is any point on this. Show that area of ABE is equal to area of ACE. Given triangle ABC AD is a median. Prove area of triangle ABE is equal to area of triangle ACE. Proof. AD is median of triangle ABC, therefore area of triangle ABD is equal to area of triangle ACD. In triangle BCE, ED is a median. Therefore, area of triangle BED is equal to area of triangle CED. Subtracting 1 and 2. So, from ABD minus area of triangle BED is equal to area of triangle ACD minus area of triangle CED, which is equal to area of triangle ABE is equal to ACE. Hence, 2. In a triangle, E is the midpoint of median AD. Triangle ABC, AD is the median, E is midpoint of this. Given triangle ABC, AD is median and E is midpoint of AD. Prove that area of BED is equal to 1/4 the area of triangle ABC. Proof. AD is median of triangle ABC. Therefore, area of triangle ABD is half the area of triangle ABC, because median divides triangle into two equal parts. This is number 1. Number 2 is BE is median of triangle ABD. This is the median of this. Therefore, area of triangle BED is half the area of triangle ABD. From 1, area of triangle ABED BED is equal to half into half the area of triangle ABC, which is equal to 1/4 of area of triangle ABC. Simple. ABD is half of full and this is half of ABD. That means BED is half of 1/4 of the whole one. Third, show that the diagonal of parallelogram divide triangle into 4 equal area. given parallelogram ABCD O, where diagonal intersect, we have to prove area of triangle AOB is equal to BOC is equal to DOC is equal to DOA. Proof triangle ABD. AO is median. Therefore, AO is the median. Therefore, area of triangle AOB is equal to area of triangle AOD. This is one. Triangle ABC BO is a median. Therefore, area of triangle AOB is equal to area of triangle BOC. And third is triangle ADC CO is a median. Therefore, area of triangle BOC is equal to area of triangle DOC. And the fourth is triangle ADC ABC. This was BCD. And this is ADC. DO is a median. Therefore, area of DOC is equal to area of AOD. So, from 1, 2 and 3 and 4 is equal to that area of triangle AOB is equal to BOC is equal to DOC is equal to AOD is equal to 1/4 of area of parallelogram ABC. ठीक है जी. Next question. Next is triangle ABC and ABD are two triangles on same base. ABC. And DC. Two triangles are same base. If the line CD is bisected by AB, CD is bisected, meaning by these two are equal. Prove that ABC. Prove that area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle ADB. Proof. This is bisected. So this is O. So we will write area of triangle AOC is equal to area of triangle AOD because AO is a median. Then area of triangle BOC is equal to area of triangle BOD. Reason BO is a median. Adding 1 and 2. Area of triangle AOC plus area of triangle BOC is equal to area of triangle AOD plus area of triangle BOP. So it will become area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle AB. Hence